Decision Analysis, DA, Training, in class and live online training. Decision Analysis, DA, Training. Presented by Tonex Training. What is Decision Analysis, DA? Decision Analysis, DA, is a popular form of decision-making what incorporates identifying and assessing all aspects of a decision, and taking actions that generates the most favorable outcome. Why Decision Analysis, DA? The main objective of decision analysis is to ensure that decisions are made with all the relevant information and options are available. How corporations use decision analysis, DA. Corporations especially focus on the principles of DA. This approach is frequently used to justify and model the potential outcomes of various decisions. Decision tree, a popular decision analysis DA method. A popular DA model is the decision tree. This is a tool which can clarify for management the choices, risks, objectives, monetary gains, and information what needs involved in an investment problem. Tonex Decision Analysis DA Training. As you know, Tonex is the powerhouse for business and management courses. Tonex Training offers 3-day training workshop on Introduction to Decision Analysis. Course topics. Decision Analysis 101. Framing decision problems and scenarios. Uncertainty in making choices. Making compelling decisions. Creating a shared understanding of the problem. Developing a decision model. Using simulation to solve decision problems. Using uncertain information and judgment. Want to learn more? Request more information. Call at 1-972-665-9786 or visit tonex.com for more information.